Hello students, today we are going to consider the next questions from the chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. In that we are considering the exercise 2.5. The first two questions we are discussed in the previous lecture. Now here we are going to consider the next three examples, 3, 4 and 5. Now again the similar type of examples are there in which the whole numbers are there, fractional numbers are there. So same methods we are going to follow which we had used in the previous example. So the first step is that we have to find out the LCM of all the denominators. So here total 3 denominators are there, 2, 3 and 6, and we know that the LCM of these denominators is 6. It is going to be 6 because 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. So that means 6 is a least common multiple which is obtained for these 3 denominators 2, 3 and 6. So the next step is that we have to multiply both the sides with the help of that LCM only. So as the LCM is 6, so therefore we are going to multiply both sides by 6. After multiplying we are going to get the equation like this: 6 into bracket x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3, which is equals to 6 into bracket 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. And after solving or after multiplying inside the bracket, we are getting like this: 6 into x 6x, then 6 into 7 minus 6 into 8x divided by 3, which is equals to 6 into 17 upon 6 minus 6 into 5x upon 2. So here we can divide the numerator by denominator. So therefore here 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 and 8 into 2, that is going to be 16x. Then this 6 is going to cancel, so only 17 is the remainder. And here 2 3s are 6 and 3 into 5, that is going to be 15. So therefore we are getting the equation like this: 6x plus 42, 6 7s are 42, minus 16x, which is equals to 17 minus 15x. So just transpose the method, transposing method we are going to use. That means we have to bring all the variables on the single side and all the numericals on the right hand side. So transposing minus 15 to LHS and 42 to RHS. So we are going to get it like this: 6x plus 15, because it is becoming plus after changing the position, it is becoming plus, and this minus 16 is going to remain as it is, which is equals to 17, and 42 is positive, so it is becoming negative. We are familiar with these steps. So therefore the last equation will be like this: 5x is equals to minus 25. After solving it, after simplifying it, we are going to get 5x is equals to minus 25, and by dividing both sides with the help of 5, then we are getting the final answer as x is equals to minus 5, because 5x divided by 5, so this 5 is going to cancel. Then here 25 upon 5, so 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So that's why the answer is x is equals to minus 5. Then in the same way the next example is example number 4: x minus 5 divided by 3, which is equals to x minus 3 upon 5. So here numbers are switched, 3 and 5. Now as the first step is same, we have to obtain the LCM of these 3 and 5, and the LCM is possible. That means if we count the table of 3 and 5, then 15 is the common multiple, which is least common multiple. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. So that is the LCM. So in case of two denominators only, you have to just multiply them, then that will be the LCM. That means 3 and 5 only two denominators, so we have to directly take the product of 3 and 5, that is going to be LCM. So here 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now the next step is that we have to multiply by that LCM only. So we are going to multiply by 15 both sides. So after multiplying and after simplifying, we are going to get it like this: 5 inside the bracket x minus 5 which is equals to 3 inside the bracket x minus 3. So how it was came? So here see, 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So that's why it is 5, and inside of that bracket x minus 5 is remained as it is. And in the same way here, 5 ones are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So that's why we are getting 3 inside bracket x minus 3. Now 5x minus 25, which is equals to 3x minus 9, it will be the simplified form after solving these brackets. That means we are going to multiply by this 5 inside of that bracket and by 3 to that bracket. So we are getting it like this, 5x minus 25, which is equals to 3x minus 9. So just again transpose 3x to the LHS and minus 25 to the RHS. Now as the negative sign is there, so after transposing this 25 to RHS, it will become positive, and after shifting 3x to the LHS, it will become negative. So therefore we are going to get it like this, 5x minus 3x, which is equals to 25 minus 9. 5x minus 3x, which is equals to 25 minus 9. Now again after subtracting 5 minus 3, it will be 2x, and 25 minus 9, it is going to be 16. So therefore we are going to divide this equation by 2 on both the sides, because coefficient of x is 2. So that's why we are dividing it by 2. Then we are getting it like this, 2x divided by 2, which is equals to 16 upon 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Then 2 8s are 16. So that's why x is equals to 8 is the solution of the given linear equation. So this is the question number 4. Now we will see the question number 5, which is solve the linear equation 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3, which is equals to 2 upon 3 minus t. So it is little bit extended type of example as compared to previous example. So don't panic about that. You have to just follow the steps only, then you will get your answer. So the first step is that you are going to find out the LCM of these denominators. So how many denominators are there? 3 denominators are there, 4, 3 and 3. But actually this 3 is repeated twice. So we are going to consider it as a single denominator. So here actually only 2 denominators are there, 4 and 3. And just I had mentioned that if only 2 denominators are there, in order to find out the LCM, you have to take the product of themselves only. So here I am going to take the product of 3 and 4. So here product of 3 and 4 is going to be 12. So that's why the LCM is 12. So it is very simple in case of 2 denominators. You have to take that product only. So 12 is the LCM. So multiply by that LCM, that means 12 to both sides. Then we are going to get the condition like this. 12 into bracket, that LHS is going to remain as it is. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3, which is equals to 12 inside the bracket, 2 upon 3 minus t. So here we are going to multiply by that 12 inside of that bracket. So first of all I am going to take the product of 12 and this first term, then 12 and this second term. Here on the RHS, 12 into first term and 12 into second term. So after that we are getting equation like this, 12 into bracket 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 12 into 2t plus 3 divided by 3, which is equals to 12 into 2 upon 3 minus 12 into t. So this is the multiplication, multiplying by 12 on both sides. Now divide by denominator. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, again 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. Here also 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. So we are getting it like this, 3 into bracket 3t minus 2 minus 4 into bracket 2t plus 3, which is equals to 8 minus 12t. So how we are taking 8, 4 into 2, that is going to 8. And now after solving this bracket, we are getting it like this, 9t minus 6, 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12. So we have to consider all the signs also. So here see, minus into plus, minus, again minus into plus, minus, here also minus into plus, minus. So we had considered all the signs, and this RHS is going to remain as it is, 8 minus 12t. Now shift the variable terms to the LHS and constant term to the RHS. So that means minus 12t to the LHS. So minus is there, so it will become plus, and minus 6 minus 12 both are negative. After shifting to the RHS, they will become plus. They will become plus. So here I am shifting minus 6 and minus 12 to the RHS and minus 12t to the LHS. So after that I am getting it like this. 9t is going to remain as it is, then minus 8t, it is also as it is, plus 12t, which is equals to 8 plus 6 plus 12, and here 9 minus 8 is going to be 1, 1 plus 12, it is going to be 13. So therefore 13t is equals to 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 12 26. So therefore I am getting 13t, which is equals to 26. So now dividing it by 13, so then we are going to get it like this, 13t divided by 13, which is equals to 26 upon 13, and 13 is going to be cancelled, and 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. So therefore the solution of the given equation is t is equals to 2. So in this way we are able to solve the examples which are in the form of fractional as well as whole numbers form or combined form. So still we are able to solve the equation which is linear equation in one variable only. So you have to see that also in that equation how many variables are there. So here t is the only one variable, only it is repeated. So if it is repeated, no problem, only one variable should be there. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed our page, you can like, subscribe and share our page. So thanks for watching the video again. Have a nice day.